You just finished a fast, and now you're wondering, what should I eat to actually help my gut heal? The truth is, what you eat after fasting matters just as much as the fast itself. Break it wrong, and you can actually undo a lot of the gut-restoring benefits you just gained. Break it right, and you can actually speed up digestion, reduce bloating, and actually repair the gut lining. In this video, I'll show you the best foods to eat after fasting for true gut repair, not just generic health tips, but science-backed choices that calm inflammation, feed your microbiome, and rebuild your gut barrier. Let's get into it. When you fast, your digestive system gets a rare chance to rest and reset. In fact, fasting triggers a natural process called intestinal autophagy. Basically, your gut starts cleaning up damaged cells and reducing inflammation. But here's the catch. The moment you break that fast, everything you eat determines whether that healing continues or gets disrupted. If you slam your gut with the wrong foods like heavy fats, processed junk, or a lot of fiber, you risk inflammation, bloating, and irritation to the gut lining. You're essentially slamming on the brakes right after the engine started running smoothly. That's why post-meal should be easy to digest, nutrient-dense, and gentle on the gut. You want to nourish the gut wall, not challenge it. In short, your first meal should act like a healing tool, not just a refeed. Before chewing solid food, prime your gut with healing liquids. This step helps you wake up digestion gently and rehydrates your cells after hours without food. One of the best options is bone broth, rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine, which directly support your gut lining. Bone broth also contains electrolytes like sodium and potassium, which are often depleted during a fast. You can also start with warm lemon water, ginger tea, or diluted apple cider vinegar tonic. These stimulate stomach acid production and bowel flow, which are crucial for breaking down the next foods properly. This is a powerful but simple step that reduces the risk of bloating, cramping, or digestive discomfort post-meal. Basically, you're letting your gut know that we're waking up gently and not attacking it with a buffet. If you're sick of feeling bloated and sluggish, grab my 7-day Carnivore Gut Reset. It's a simple step-by-step plan that gets your gut back on track fast. The link's right below. Is free. After a fast, your digestive enzymes need a minute to ramp back up. So give your body a break. Don't hit it with dense or heavy processed protein right away. Instead, choose easily digestible, high-quality proteins like eggs, especially soft-boiled or poached, wild-caught fish like salmon or cod, grass-fed ground beef, or turkey. The goal here is to rebuild your gut lining and restore amino acid balance without overwhelming your system. Protein is also key for hormone production and muscle repair, so don't skip it, just make it digestible. You're not just refeeding your body, you're feeding the cells that rebuild your gut wall. After fasting, your body becomes incredibly sensitive to both good and bad inputs. This is your window to reduce gut inflammation, and anti-inflammatory fats are your secret weapon. Add these into your post-fast meals. Extra virgin olive oil rich in polyphenols that support gut lining health. Avocados loaded with monounsaturated fats and fiber. Wild-caught salmon or sardines high in omega-3s, which lower gut and brain inflammation. Ghee or grass-fed butter if tolerated, they contain butyrate, which fuels colon cells. These fats help you to absorb fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are critical for gut repair and immune function. Just don't pair them with ultra-processed carbs, or you'll flip the benefits into a blood sugar crash. This is about using fat as fuel and as a repair tool, not just calories. Right after a fast, your digestive system is in a receptive and vulnerable state. What you eat now either accelerates healing or inflames everything you just tried to fix. Here are the most common post-fast foods that wreck your gut progress. Refined sugar. It spikes blood glucose and feeds bad gut bacteria. Seed oils, canola, soybean, corn, high in omega-6 fats that drive inflammation. Processed carbs like white bread, crackers, or pastries cause bloating and digestive distress. Dairy, even healthy yogurt can trigger bloating if your gut is inflamed. High-fiber raw veggies like broccoli or cabbage, which are hard to break down after a fast. The key is to avoid anything that's hard to digest, spikes insulin, or promotes inflammation. This doesn't mean avoiding these foods forever, but immediately after a fast is not the time to challenge your gut. You're trying to reset it, not stress it out. To truly support your gut repair and hormone balance after fasting, you need more than just one good meal. You need a repeatable system. Here's how to structure a simple post-fast routine that you can use every time. Step 1. Start with hydration within 30 minutes of breaking your fast. Sip warm water with electrolytes or a pinch of sea salt to prep your stomach lining. Step 2. Gentle gut activator. Begin with something smooth like bone broth, aloe vera juice, or diluted apple cider vinegar. This signals your gut that digestion is about to begin. Step 3. Add your gut repairing foods. Prioritize soft proteins like fish, turkey, or eggs. Plus cooked greens and easy carbs like mashed potatoes or cooked squash. Step 4. Wait at least 90 minutes before larger meals. Allow your digestive enzymes to build up again before throwing in bigger portions or more complex foods. Step 5. Track how your body responds. Bloating, energy, sleep, and even mental clarity are feedback. Your body tells you exactly what's working if you're listening. This kind of structure not only protects your gut, it also builds long-term resilience. You'll notice fewer crashes, less bloating, and more stable energy if you follow this routine consistently. If you've ever broken a fast and felt bloated, sluggish, or just off, now you know why, and more importantly, what to do about it. Your gut isn't just along for the ride. It's the engine behind your energy, your hormones, and how you feel every single day. Fuel it right, especially after a fast, and it'll reward you with better digestion, clearer thinking, and more stable energy. And if you're ready to take this to the next level, I'll put together a free guide just for you. It's called the 7-Day Carnivore Gut Reset. Inside, you'll learn how to beat bloating, boost energy, and start cleansing naturally with simple daily steps. The link to download it is below, and yes, it's completely free. So grab your copy, start applying what we talked about today, and I'll see you in the next video.